Hi, my name is Mark Archambault. I am the precision machining instructor here at the Credo Technology Center, and this is our shop. And in our shop, we have two proto tracks, one 2-axis, one 3-axis. We have an SL20 Haas lathe. We have a Haas vertical machining center. And we have a Track Op 2 machining center. And we also have 11 engine lathes and various support equipment like welding and our knee Bridgeport type mills. It's a good start for the kids for when they want to go out into this industry and work.